Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kenny. We're inside today, folks, and we're going to do a very brief video. And you're looking at my topic right now. This is something that I want to share with you. Now, if you're still in the market and looking for a heater, now I'm talking about an electric heater. This one here is a room-sized heater that you might be, I think it would be something you would want to look at. Now, if you're still using electricity, this is an electric heater. Now, let me first of all tell you that I'm going to give you a full review of it and tell you that this is an Eden Pure black box. Now, this thing, you may not believe this, but to show you the dependability and the reliability of this particular heater, I will tell you that this heater is 13 years old and it still works. Now, here is my thought. When it comes to quality, you don't want to shortchange yourself and buy something that won't last very long and still probably won't be as efficient as you would like it to be. This is a Gen 3. This is the Generation 3 heater. It is an infrared, and I'm telling you, it is a beautiful heater. It's a quartz infrared, and it's a room size. If you've got a room, no matter what size it is, from a small to a very large. Now, this room is about a 12 by 15, and he'll heat this room up really, really fast. Now, as you can see, let me point out to you, if I may move around here and use my finger, this heater, the reason I bought this heater back 13 years ago is because it's one of the safest that you can buy. And the reason I say that is because you can tip it over and it'll shut off. And you can even you can put your hands up on top of it, or your pet can sit up on top of it, and it just simply does not get warm. And over here you have the control. You have the thermostat setting. It's so easy with a touch of a finger. You can set it anything that you like. You can put it anywhere in the room that you like. And the controls are so easy to use. Now, that's what I like about it. And I would give it 5 stars, even if it was just for the controls that are on it. But this thing, we bought it 13 years ago, and we bought 3 of them. And we bought them directly from the company. Now, they still make the black box. But I'm going to tell you, the technology, I believe, has dramatically changed when it comes to this Eden Pure heater. The sky's the limit on how much that it really is effective, and as well as conserving electricity. It's known to burn a whole lot less electricity. And the thing I like about it is that it just continues to last and last. Now, it's got the copper coil inside of it, which it heats up rapidly and really fast. Now, if I could turn the light off, you could probably see the infrared showing up. This thing works just like it did when I bought it 13 years ago. I give this heater 5 stars, hands down. Now, let me give you a tip in closing on this. When you're using a heater like this, I find it very effective when you set it the desired temperature that you want to keep your room. You set it and forget it. You don't tinker. You don't go back and set this at various times, because it'll burn a whole lot less electricity by leaving it on that temperature. Keep it there and don't tinker with it. That is a key to saving energy when you're heating a room with this type of heater. But 5 stars, no problem, like I said. This thing, I think it's got I forgot the limited a warranty that's with it. I know it's guaranteed for probably a year or 2, maybe 3. I'm not sure, so don't hold me to that. But it's built to last. It's built in America. and it is reliable. It heats your room. It saves energy on your electric bill, and it's safe. Safe. And just listen. That is as quiet as a mouse. Now that's the type of heater that I purchased 13 years ago and still working today. So I want to share this with you, and I hope that you listen to what I had to say. And listen, take advantage of this. Purchase something that you know is going to last you a long time, and not to play around with the little counterfeits, the ones that are cheaper, and don't work like this one does. This one gets the job done, and I like it. And believe me, I've kept it all of these years. I've got 3 of them. But I only need to show you one. They work the same. They're reliable. So I give it 5 stars. What's my overall analysis of it? Safe, quiet, dependable, long-lasting. You buy it once, and pretty much I think that's probably the only time you'll have to buy it again. You won't have to buy it again. But I give it, like I said, 3 times. I've given it 5 stars. So thanks for watching. And listen, if you like this, give us a thumbs up. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. And you have a blessed day.